Alright, moving to the next issue, may we please talk about Makhumalo's accent? What English is that? She is so bougie and cheesy, girl. I see you. So this is what Makhumalo says. She says that if you are doing something that your close family, the people that you stay with, the people that are around you, if they don't like what you're doing, whether it's right or wrong, you need to drop it. Whether you like it, whether you think it's cool, whether it's right, the fact that other people don't like it, it means that she needs to drop that action. I heard her. As Mayeni is being asked about a couple of things about the past seasons, she talks about how Mangwabe and I'm calling her Makums, and Makhumalo at some point were friends because of her. They wanted to talk about her, so they discovered that they actually have a lot in common, which is to hate on Umayeni. Lunch, not that they started meeting up. They had lunch together and they were talking about Umayeni the whole time. Which is very crazy because we see that at some point Mangwabe and Makhumalo, they were not getting along together. At this point, honestly speaking, I'm starting to think that Makhumalo follows Mangwabe. I don't know. She's giving me Mangwabe, so let me just, be on her side. Because Mangwabe and Umayeni, they have an issue, and Makhumalo is saying Genela, and then she's not on Umayeni's side. Like, girl, what's happening? Should you even be involved in this? Why are you involving yourself? Why are you involving yourself in this situation? But anyway, at some point, Mangwabe hated on Umakum. So apparently, Mangwabe was having a conversation with her husband and Makhumalo was around. So when they were talking, obviously talking, they were talking, and then Makhumalo felt like she had to say something. Also interfered in the conversation. And the worst thing is that she was actually telling Mangwabe what not to say to the husband. And Mangwabe didn't like that. So Mangwabe then had a lot of things to say. I don't know if she had to say a lot of things, but then she also defended herself, but in a way that, girl, I'm talking to my man, which is very crazy because he's our man, girl. What are you talking about? So she started talking back to Makhumalo Wuti, why are you talking about this? And the worst thing is that I'm watching the flashback of the whole thing that happened, and I see that Makhumalo is saying that I was wrong for saying that. I don't know if she was wrong. I mean, the man is theirs. It's not really my man type of situation. I don't know why they keep on saying my man when they're sharing the man. So Makhumalo is saying that she feels wrong for even interfering in that conversation because Mangwabe was having a conversation with her man. But then it's their man. I'm a little bit confused. Isn't he their man? Can you... So Makhumalo is saying that she felt as if she wasn't supposed to do that, and it is because she was young. How old was she? Can you guess? How old was she? She was 19. She got into this whole situation when she was 19. I guess Mseleku was right when he said that all the women that are here, they are here for a reason. All the women that are here, they deserve to be here because she was 19 when she got involved in all of this. I'm impressed.